Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing my first unboxing of an MCM item that I recently purchased off of Neiman Marcus. So I want to tell you all how I saved a ton of money on this MCM tote bag, and I only paid $440 for this bag. So I actually paid like $439.52. But pretty much $440 for a $695 bag. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so this is the box right here. This box was delivered to my house yesterday. I'm going to open it. It is not open, it is still sealed. So this is a true unboxing. This is the first time I have ever seen an MCM bag in person. I don't own any MCM bags or accessories, anything like that. And I have been eyeing this bag for a while. And I didn't see it available anywhere, which is why I didn't buy it. And then after seeing it come available on Neiman Marcus, I jumped on it. So while I'm opening this box, I'm going to tell you one of the things I did. With Neiman Marcus's website, I already had an account with them. But if you sign up for their emails, you can get the 15% discount. Now when I first signed up, I had the old email when I first signed up where I got the 15% discount. And that was months ago, you guys, but I never used it. So I surprisingly went back to that email when I first signed up. Never used that code, and I still was able to use that code somehow. But if you're not able to use a code that you had a while ago, re-sign up for the website under a different email. Get that 15% off. This bag is currently listed on Neiman Marcus's website for $521, and it's actually on sale on MCM's website for $486, and then they have an extra 20% off. But that bag is like constantly out of stock, and you have to stalk that website to get that bag. I tried it for a couple of days, but I got tired of stalking their website, and I said, let me just go ahead and get it from Neiman Marcus. And I'm glad I did, because the extra 15% off helped bring the price down. And right now on Neiman Marcus's website, if you have an Ebates or a Rakuten account, you can use your Rakuten account, and then you can get back cash back from buying the bag. So with the 15% discount and with the cash back from Rakuten, total bag cost me $439.52. But I'm rambling. I wanted to kind of share those details. If you do not have a Rakuten account, I'm going to link my referral code in the description bar. Feel free to use it if you want to. You don't have to. This is not a sponsored video from anyone. Rakuten, Neiman Marcus. No one is sponsoring this video. I bought all these items myself, but definitely trying to tell you how to save money. With the referral code, you get an extra, I think $10 or $30 if you open up a new account. But if you already have an account with Rakuten, then of course the referral code will not work. So it's just for those opening up a new account. But it is a way to get an extra $30 or $10. However much they have it going on when you use the code, you can get that extra cash back. Alright you guys? So there we are. Nice and packaged. I'm so excited. It's in this, and you can already see the color I got. What's that? I got the pink. I don't think it's called a soft pink. I don't think it was called soft pink when I was looking online at the bag. Let me open it up and take it out. Okay. Oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. So let me turn it on this side so you can see. And this is the pouch that comes with it. It is attached. They have a lot of wrapping and paper on this. I have my scissors on hand. Ooh, you guys, look, so it's just wrapped up so nicely. With the exception of not having the MCM box. This thing is gorgeous, you guys. I have to commend them for wrapping it so nicely, for taking care and wrapping this. I'm going to take this off. The hardware on this, it looks silver, but I think it's just a really, really light gold. And one of the things that I'm happy about with this bag, let me show you this interior. The older model that I noticed of this bag when I saw other people's videos, the inside was a brown color. And while the brown color was okay, I didn't like that it had that like blue MCM patch. And you guys, I'm so glad that this is black with that black and that black MCM. Oh my goodness, this thing is gorgeous. Like, it's this pink is perfect. Of course, I'm a pink girl. Comes with a dust bag. Happy to see I got a dust bag. And let me try to give you like a better shot of the inside there. It's so pretty, you guys. Let's take off some of this wrapping. It's got some little, I guess, little freshener packets on the inside. Oh my goodness. You guys, this bag is so pretty that I'm almost tempted to buy another one just because I feel like it's so pretty and I need another one. I'm not even sure why I have that urge, but in case this one, something happens to this one, I feel like I need a backup. I do have the tendency to buy duplicate products for that very reason, so I'm working on not doing that. And I can go ahead and take off all this wrapping because I for sure know that this will not be going anywhere. I have been looking for, even though I have a bunch of like pink trimmed bags and a lot of pink on different bags, I wanted another bag that actually was like pink. Like the entire bag was pink. And this is a pink. It has that gray MCM logo. It has the really light gold hardware that could pass for silver. And then these straps. Looking for my scissors so I can cut this off. Okay, you guys, here she is with all of the wrapping and everything removed from it. Give you an up close look of that plate. And I think the plate number is supposed to be like special to the bag, like the serial number, in case someone tries to replicate the bag. I'm not really sure. But as stated, you guys, perfection. I now see what the rave was about this bag, and kind of every time I saw a video, I've been like watching a lot of videos on this particular bag, especially Mo Knows Beauty. She has a couple of bags from this brand, and she has like 4 of these totes, you guys. So when I say I've been like obsessively like stalking her videos and watching her videos. Hey babe, hey Mo Knows Beauty. She already knows what I'm talking about. She just released a video with her new Boston bag that she purchased. Check out her channel if you want more details on this bag. But I've made this video way longer than I was hoping, you guys. Alright, you guys, so let me quickly show you the pouch that comes in the bag. It's wrapped in the paper. It's a shoulder bag, pouch, however you want to call it. It has this little D-ring on the side where you can clip the pouch onto. And like everyone else has been sharing about this pouch, it is a really nice size, so you can wear this as a standalone type of clutch or purse, however you want to wear it. I would definitely wear this standalone. Okay, so here's the little card that it comes with. And there's the inside. You guys, this black and white, oh my goodness, against this pink is perfection. It's perfection. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's a really nice size. Really fit up under the arm really well. You can put a lot of things in this, and with this bag, it fits in there really nicely. And you can see how that fits in there. So it's like a 2-in-1, very similar to the Neverfull that Louis Vuitton makes. You guys, I wish I can honestly just sit here and stare at this bag all day. If I was not headed out the door, oh my goodness, like it smells, has that brand new smell. Okay, I'll come back and do a review on this at a later date, and I'll do like a what's in my bag at another time. But for right now, I just wanted to show you all this bag and get this information to you so that you can hurry up and go on and buy this bag, all right? But the goal was to tell you all how to get this bag for $440 if you can get it. It is still available. Go buy it now. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Take care. Bye.